Morning guys. We're gonna move house today.
So we were obviously living in the Netherlands, and then we had our daughter Cora, and we came over on the 1st of January to visit family and introduce all of my Australian family to Cora. And then obviously the pandemic happened.
Okay, we're trapped, everyone for himself. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Get out of my way. Okay. Oh.
And we got stuck in Australia. So we have been living with my mother since the 1st of January. And today we are moving around the corner. We're actually not that far away, but we're moving into a house maybe 150 meters up the street that's owned by a family friend. So we're going to be able to have our own space, and Cora's going to be able to have her own room. And we don't really know when we can leave Australia. We're trying to get to Queensland to see my father so that he can meet his granddaughter. But that is proving difficult at the moment. So we're going to see what happens over the next couple of months. But that is what we're doing today. We are moving into the new house. Okay, so we've just gone and picked up the keys for the house around the corner. So we're just gonna pack the house here in, and then when Cora wakes up, we'll move everything over with the car. Just as a quick side note, so last night I finally decided to start actually taking Mandarin seriously. I've been saying for years that I want to learn Mandarin, and last night I did all my research about how I want to tackle the language and what order I want to do it in. So if you guys want to see a more detailed video on that and my thought process behind how I start a language from scratch, then let me know in the comments below and I can do a specific video discussing that process. Okay, so we've literally driven like 150 meters up the road, but now we are unpacking everything. And this is the house that we've moved into. So everything is unpacked and we are finally in the other house. Like I mentioned before, we've been living with my mum here in Australia for 6 months. Even looking at flights now to try and get back home. Most of the airlines now are only selling business and first class tickets because economy apparently isn't feasible enough to fly the plane at all. So even if we wanted to get home now, we'd be spending thousands and thousands of dollars just to get back. Neither of us are working. We left our apartment, we left our jobs before we came over, because we thought we were going to be here for 3 months. So 3 has turned into 6, and that's just what it is. It's a really nice day today, so we're going to go for a walk and get outside. just gone for the nicest walk. We found a really nice, beautiful tree. I'm sure you saw it. And I brought some clippings home, but I literally cannot find a vase anywhere in this house. So I'm putting them in a drinking glass and we will see how that goes. And Cora's just gone down for another nap, and I'm gonna make up some flashcards for Chinese study, and yeah, then we'll start with dinner. So I am going to make a dal for dinner, and I'm making that early so that Cora can also have that for dinner before she goes to bed, and that's what I'm making. Cora is finally asleep, and we're having our first night in the new house. We've got some dal for dinner, and we are just gonna chill out and watch a movie tonight. So thanks for watching. We did not get up to that much today, but I thought I would film it anyway. And I'll see you guys next week for another video. Bye.